Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you're still stuck in the same place? Like everyone else is moving ahead while you're running in circles? The truth is simple. Success doesn't come from working harder, it comes from investing smarter. And in 2026, there are 3 investments that will completely change your life if you commit to them. Not stocks, not crypto, not get-rich-quick schemes. I'm talking about the 3 investments every successful person makes, no matter where they started from. Today, I'm going to break them down through a story you'll never forget. So stay locked in. This might be the day your life takes a new direction. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Sam. He worked a 9-to-5, had dreams bigger than his paycheck, and every night he felt frustrated, wondering why other people found success while he stayed stuck. One day, he asked a wealthy mentor a simple question: what was the biggest investment you ever made? The mentor didn't blink. He didn't mention real estate, stocks, gold, or business. He said only 3 words: I invested in me. Sam didn't understand at first, but the mentor explained, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You rise to the level of your knowledge. Everything you earn will come from something you learn. So Sam tried something different. Instead of spending his evenings watching random videos, he spent 30 minutes reading. Instead of scrolling through drama, he studied marketing, sales, personal finance, and human behavior. He learned how money works, how business works, how people work, and everything started to shift. You see, in 2026, the fastest way to change your income is to change your knowledge. The world is evolving fast. AI. New skills, new industries, new opportunities appear every single week. People who learn grow. People who don't fall behind. And here's the truth. You don't get paid by the hour. You get paid by the value you bring. Increase your value, and the world will increase your income. By the end of the year, Sam doubled his income, not because he worked more hours, but because he upgraded himself. Knowledge is the engine of success. Ignorance is the anchor that keeps you stuck. Now, the second investment. Most people ignore it, but it's the one thing that can change your destiny faster than anything else. Networking. The people you connect with, the circles you step into. Let me show you why through another part of Sam's story. One day, after learning new skills, Sam decided to attend a local business meet. He almost didn't go. He felt nervous. Who am I to be in a room with entrepreneurs? He thought, but he pushed himself, and that decision changed his life. In that room, he met someone who would later become his business partner. Someone who would open doors to opportunities Sam could never reach on his own. Someone who believed in his dreams when he didn't even believe in himself yet. And this is the truth. In life, you do not rise alone. Doors don't open by accident. People open them. Every millionaire, every successful entrepreneur, every leader. All of them have one thing in common. They built powerful networks. And here's the part most people don't understand. You don't build a network by taking. You build it by giving, by adding value, by showing up, by being useful. In 2026, if you want to level up your life, you need to level up your circle. Stop spending time with people who pull you down. Start spending time with people who pull you forward. Remember this forever. Your network is your net worth. Your connections shape your direction. Your circle shapes your success. Now, the third investment is the one that separates the rich from the poor. Permanently, invest in assets. Stop wasting money on liabilities. Sam learned this lesson the hard way. When he was younger, he used to spend his paycheck on new phones, new shoes, dinners, entertainment. Things that made him feel good for a moment, but made no difference in his future. His mentor told him something powerful. Poor people buy things to look rich. Rich people buy things that make them richer. So Sam stopped chasing appearances and started building assets, a small online business that generated passive income, investments in learning skills that made him more valuable, a bank account that grew instead of shrinking, tools and systems that saved him time and increased his earnings, investments in real estate and digital assets. Slowly, his life changed. His confidence changed. His opportunities changed. Because here's the truth about assets. Assets pay you. Liabilities charge you. In 2026, the people who win will be the ones who build systems that pay them, even when they are sleeping. Start the business. Buy the course. Build the skill. Own what produces income. Stop buying things that impress people who don't care about you. Start buying things that will free the future version of you. So if you want 2026 to be the year everything changes, focus on these 3 investments. First, invest in new knowledge, upgrade your mind. Second, invest in networking, upgrade your circle. And third, invest in assets, upgrade your future. The moment you stop spending your life and start investing it, everything transforms. Your past doesn't matter. Your mistakes don't matter. What matters is what you decide to invest in today. Thank you for watching, and if you want more daily motivation, business tips, and mindset upgrades, make sure to subscribe, because your next level begins right here.